Welcome to Scraphoarders. After years of crafting and card making, the team of 11 crafters will brave their piles and bins of paper scraps to help you destroy yours. Today on Scraphoarders, we will announce the winners of the 3 grand prizes that were mentioned on recent episodes. Prize Pack 1, the Bathing Beauties Digi-Stamp Set and Papers. And the winner is Heidi Lentz. Congratulations, Heidi! Prize Pack 2, the Birds and Branches Digi-Stamp Set and Papers. And the winner is Nana Liz. Congratulations, Nana! Prize Pack 3, the Doodle Florals Digi-Stamp Set and Papers. And the winner is Francisca Bambashove. Congratulations, Francisca! In order to claim your prize, you have 1 week to email onastampage@gmail.com. Otherwise, a new winner will be chosen. Thank you again for joining us on Scraphoarders.